Hello, today we are going to learn how to create passport size photo and row and column wise. Because we are in daily life, passport size photo is a very necessary things so let's start without wasting any time. So here a blank page. I'm using here the Microsoft Word 2016 version. If you are using lower or upgrade versions, it's not a problem. If any Microsoft Word versions, you can do this or perform this kinds of work. So let's start. Here a blank page. So go to first of all go to the layout. Here layout, you can set here the page layout, page size, sorry. So here default size is letter, so I'm going to change it A4. If you want to size and as you like, so here you can definitely customize your size. So if you want to customize, so here change, you can change this size also and hit OK, then it will be customized to you according to your choice. So here I'm choosing the A4 size, and here you can see this is the ruler. If you do not cannot see ruler here, you can go to the view option or go to the mailing option, view option. Here you can check the ruler. If see, this is check ruler and it's showing the ruler option, and in your case it's not checked, so you have to check, and you can see your ruler setup. So let's start. First of all, go to the page layout and choose the size. It's as I told you, and after that you can see this is the right corner. It's a margin setup. Here click, and after that go to this custom margin setups. See here you need to change something. So 0.25 0.25 0.25 we are going to include 0.25. here also 0.25, also the right is 0.25, set like this. And after that you can see this update accordingly preview should be on, and it's update accordingly. So hit OK. After hitting OK, it's set the margin 0.1 0.5, sorry. So if you want to change this things after setting the margin, you can always do like this. And so this is the one trick, and you can change the paper size like this. Go to more paper size. So I have already told it, and you can do another things here. It's I need to zoom in, and this is zoom out. You can also do this without doing zoom in and zoom out to there. Hitting command and control, command for the Mac and control for the Windows user, and with the help of mouse scroll button, if you scroll down and scroll up, you can see this is zoom out and zoom in function is working. So there is another trick, and now go to insert, and here this is a very important thing, table. You can see this is table. I'm going to make some table. over here. So you can choose your table according to your choice. So just for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to take the row and column. This is the 3 is according to this 3 is a row, and 4 here you can see this 4 is column. So if you hitting here, it's creating uh, 3 row and 4 column. So if you want to change this, you can do see this is if you want to increase your cells, you can see this is the plus sign over here. So if you click here, it's increasing your cell, row and column. So if you hit any more, so it's increasing your cells and columns. So here after that, here you can see this is the table tools, and here this is design. You can change your design according to your need, and there here different uh, style is or design is here. And now this is you need to know that table tools, and in this table tool there are two options, design and layout. So go to layout, and after that you can see this is the properties. This is very important, and here you can put your passport size, photo size, and what Microsoft Word do, your uh, passport size photo, it's put in row and column. So here you can see this row and column, this is table. And why we creating this table? For the center alignment. If you need some center alignment, so here you can see this center. So it's center, already center. So after that you need to put your passport size photos size. So specification, specify height. So specify height is 1.35. So 1.35. Now column is maybe 1.1. So here inch. Okay, so be careful. I'm putting here inch. If you want to put the percentage, so Google the percentage, passport size photos percentage. So here I'm putting this inch. So here this is cells, alt text. If you want to do something, you can play with this. So hit OK. After hitting OK, it's creating the cells and columns. But see, because this cell is selected, so for that it's affected on this this cells and this column. So we need the entire, it's effect into this uh, 4 row and 4 columns. So go to this layout and properties, and here specifications. So we need to do once more 1.35, and the column should be, so should be 1.1. okay, now after hitting OK, you can see this is the arrangement. Okay, now so don't do this, don't mess around this. Select the all of this row and column, and after that the effect showing here. And here you can see this is, we need some more column and some more rows. So the same trick apply here. Here you can see this is the plus signs appear, and you first of all you hover around this cells and this rows and columns. So after hover the rows, you can see this plus sign, and if you hit here, it's creating the same column and row. Hit once more, hit once more, hit once more, so it's creating the row and column. So we need some more specifically some more rows. So put heading, so it's right. So now it's okay. Now you can change according to this ruler guide. If you move and it will change, then go to insert, and here table is ready. And if we and here you cannot see this picture options over here. So what we need to do, click outside of this thing. So insert, go to insert, and after insert, you cannot see this. Click outside or inside of this blank page. So this picture taking this option is open. Now desktop, and this is my old picture. So after that, this page is going to another page. I'm not need this thing. Okay, now go to layout, wrap text in font of the text. So after in font of the text, you can see this is actually I can move this picture. So now zoom in. So this is the picture. You can change the background if you want to change the background, you can. But here in this class, I'm not going to show you how to change the background, just showing you some hint how can you change the background. So go to home. Here some things. After inserting, you can change the background. Okay, so here this is design, this is layout, this is references, this is mailing, and this option is very important for the arrangement of row and column. So here design, the layout, so you need to play with these things. You can know more things about this. Now select this passport size photo, here select, and now select as an object. Now after selecting an object, and you can here you can see this hyperlink. Okay, and now mailing, go to mailing, and here is start mailing. Here you can see this level. So after watching this level, simply do one thing, cancel, and it's after hitting cancel. Now the few steps for doing this. So now select recipient. Okay, now type new list after new list you need to do put any name. Now in my case I'm putting the name of pick. Now hit OK and now save it like this pick. Okay, according to your choice you can put any name. Okay, so this is, and now just one click your just one click this is arrange in a row and column. Just level, see, this is according to your choice. So here a little bit of tricky because see this is so in this tutorial we have learned how we can print our passport size photo um, in row and column wise. So thank you very much. If you think this very tutorial is very helpful for you, so hit the like button and subscribe this channel for update. Thank you. Keep watching.